Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Legion Talk, episode number 2. Now, as I said before, this is a brand new YouTube channel that I'm doing in conjunction with my other YouTube channel, Legion Games 2076. This one is a bit different, though. This one's a little bit different, and you're going to start to kind of see that. So here is what we're going to be discussing this evening. The stock market has had some issues the last, well, say a couple of days. So we're going to get into that because this article will probably explain it better than I can. Like I do invest in the stock market. I am a shareholder and in even AMC. Yes, I do love my movies. So here we go. AMC Entertainment Holdings Inc. crashes by over 60% as Robinhood slaps reduce only. Update. AMC Entertainment Holdings Inc. NYC by over 60% after Robinhood put shares under reduce only mode, limiting new buying of the shares. This move allows short sellers to gain ground in their battle against the army of Reddit retail traders organizing on Wall Street bets. The move comes after AMC raised some $300 million in a secondary offer. Both Robinhood and Interactive Brokers slapped measures related to AMC and several other stocks, including GameStop. What's going on is that on Reddit, there is a community that actually they basically bought up a bunch of stock in AMC, which is having a very hard time, in GameStop, which is having a very hard time, and even in, I think BlackBerry was one of them or something like that. What they did is they flooded the market with the purchases, and ultimately basically the brokers tried to evaluate the stock, and it skyrocketed, like on as if it was being severely needed, like on obviously driving the price very much up. As somebody who owns stock in AMC, I can definitely tell you that my investment over just last night, to be honest, just last night was probably up 400%, something like that. Maybe 430% if I had to, guesstimate closer. Anyway, the point of the fact is that that's not good. They're flooding the market, and then of course it makes all these brokers try to short sell all the stocks. Like they say, hey, we're going to buy all the shares at this price, and then of course as it increases, they're going to try to. Long story short, a lot of people are losing a lot of money. And it's not good because it's not going to be the brokers who are going to be in, some of them, yes. Like it's not going to be all the brokers who are going to be in severe hot water. It's going to be everybody who's in it for the long haul, like somebody like me. Do I have a problem with that? No, because I think movie theaters are going to bounce back. Like it's going to take a while, but this is not an investment for me. This is an investment ultimately for the future of my, for the future. Is the best way to put it, So anyway, we're gonna continue to read on. Update. AMC Entertainment Holdings Incorporated has closed one day's trading with a whopping, that was last night, with a whopping, no, technically 2 nights before, because you're going to see this tomorrow on Friday, with a whopping surge of 301%. Okay, 301%. So I was definitely off. To $19.90, giving the theater's firm a valuation of nearly $7 billion. Today, on Thursday, they are sitting at probably roughly around like $1.2 billion. So AMC completed a secondary public offering worth a total of $304.8 million with a price of over $4.81 per share. TD Ameritrade restricted trading on NYCMC amid the frenzy, putting shares in the same list as GameStop for the same reason, which also skyrocketed. Bulls organizing on Reddit's Wall Street bets have been defeating hedge funds that went short on these stocks, hedge fund brokers. So anyway, regulators have, and even the White House are monitoring developments. However, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell seemed to to be unmoved by the action in stocks, focusing instead on the long road to recovery. Will NYC AMC continues on higher on Thursday? Pre-marketing? No, it did drop. It did drop today. So it's probably no longer at 301%. I would have to look, but I think it's definitely down. It's definitely down. I can get you an actual statistic if you guys want. Hold on. Why not? We're doing it live. I mean, well, not live, but like on. Let's see. Yes. AMC Entertainment is down 56.63% from the 301.21%. So that's definitely down. It's even down from earlier when I checked it. So it's definitely falling because obviously. Pre-marketing trading suggests that a fall may be on the cards. Yeah, of course. Like one because this is we're on Thursday now, going into Friday. NYSEMC has spent much of the COVID-19 pandemic teetering on the brink of bankruptcy. That is true, as the largest movie theater chain in the world has been saved by an unexpected group of investors. Not really. On Tuesday, shares of AMC skyrocketed once again, adding 12.22% to close the trading session at $4.96. AMC continued its ascent in after-hours trading as the stock surged an additional 35%, soaring towards its 52-week high of $7.78. So basically, one of the reasons that I own stock and one of the reasons that the pandemic has been so hard on the stock market is because it's a false recession. Like, we're not in an actual recession. We're in a false recession. Like, it's fake. It's made by us because we're shutting things down. Once people start going back to work, once people start spending more money again, like getting back out there, things are going to start to go up, which is great. It's what we want. However, what was done to GameStop and AMC was manufactured. Like it was basically a meme, a joke, something that will probably be remembered for the next decade. It's funny, I get it, but you're messing with people's lives. That's the point. It's not the brokers that you're 100% messing with. You're messing with the actual shareholders who are in it for the long run. I bought a considerable amount of stock in many companies over the course of the pandemic because stocks were low. But I was doing that as a long-term investment. I was not doing that as something that I was looking to make a quick dollar on, like this is something that I want to, maybe give to my kids and have my kids give to their grandkids or whatnot. Like that's where I'm coming from. So despite its recent resurrection, AMC is still down 34.90% over the past 52 weeks. Yes, but at least investors are slowly making some of those losses back. The unexpected group of investors are part of the Reddit forum Wallstreet Bets. Yeah, jokesters. Which provides investing tips, strategies, and play-by-play trades. This is not the first time the group has been in the spotlight, as several members posted about a leverage glitch within the popular Robinhood trading platform. The group also led the charge on short squeezing noted short seller Citron Research by coordinating a controlled squeeze to the GameStop stock. AMC was a part of a move to save AMC as members succeeded in saving the cinema brand from bankruptcy. It is an interesting lesson in the power of social media and how easily manipulated the stock market can be. The stock market is not it's not Vegas. It's not a Vegas slot machine. I'm being dead serious about this, guys. Like, this is not something. It's not a Vegas slot machine. This is not a card game. This is something for people to invest in for the future. This is something for people to put their 401ks in for the future. When you mess with this, you mess with people's livelihoods. You do. It's not funny. Like, look, if you don't like the investment brokers, like on the hedge fund brokers, I understand. That's perfectly acceptable. I get it. Like, when they do something wrong, there are regulations and stuff like that. There are legal laws, to regulate them. Now, however, on the same flip side, the money that they lost, should they be able to basically put into the government and request basically request an extended credit to recoup, basically to subtract their losses? No, they should really not. Like going, if you want to be mad at anybody, be mad at the government. Like going, because the United States government, like going, unfortunately bails these people out when stuff like this happens. Like on that's who you should be upset with. Like on the hedge fund brokers, they're they're playing good business. It's good business. I don't like it. Like going, I'm not good at it, and you're not going to see me doing it. But they're playing good business. That's the unfortunate truth. It really is. So I mean, look, investing is a good thing. The stock market is a good thing. It's like going to the supermarket, like going to your your neighborhood fruit market. It's, you go there to basically buy a product to ultimately benefit your life in some way, shape, or form. And that's what it is. Like on, I have a good amount of stock. Like on, I'm not gonna say that I have more than my parents do. That's I'm gonna say it. Like when I have more than my parents do, and I'm looking towards the future on that. The thing is, though, is that when you mess with that, it's just, guys, it's not appropriate. Like going, look, you can make all the memes you want, but you know what? 2020 was horrendous enough. Why make 2021 like 2020's, older, uglier step sibling? It's just, don't do it. Don't do it. It's not worth it, guys. It's not worth it. Like going, we need to come together as a world, as a country, as the United States, and we need to move forward. That's the way it is. That's my opinion. Like going, I hope that I hope that you guys have been informed by this. And we're going to continue to discuss stuff like this, not just serious stuff. I mean, this is a little more serious. This is about finance and stuff like that. Like going, that's what this channel's for. Hollywood news, movie news, gaming. I mean, everything's on the table. Political news. I'm gonna give you the best, I'm gonna say, middle of the road take I can, because I don't particularly lean, as people want to call it these days, slanted to the right or left. Like on, I saw that camera glitch. Interesting. I'll have to take a look at that. You know what? It's a new channel. I'm just getting back into the YouTube world again, like when after a little bit of a hiatus. I have a new setup going on, and it's probably not necessarily going to work 100%, and we're going to try to see if we can fix that. So I appreciate you guys watching the video. I appreciate you guys coming to the new channel, like going, and I appreciate all my existing subscribers on Legion Games 2076. If you found this channel, Legion Talks, like going, I have Legion Games 2076, where I do reaction videos, I play video games, and I do Eurovision content, which has been super popular. Love Eurovision. Subscribe to this channel, subscribe to that channel. Appreciate you all. I'll talk to you again real soon, and thank you everybody for everything. See you guys. Bye.